Hello everyone, welcome to my online class video standard 5th subject maths. Today we will learn from chapter number 4 fraction some new method from exercise 4.3 to exercise 4.7. Today we will learn new method that is addition of like fraction. Here you can see the addition of like fraction is in the topic of operations of fraction. Operations on fraction, that means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Let's see the definition of operations of fraction. Recall the rules for carrying out the arithmetic operation addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on fraction. Okay, addition of fraction, the definition of this fraction, that is when we add two or more like fraction, the numerator should be added to the numerators of the required fraction and the denominator of the required fraction is common denominator of the given fractions. Next, see exercise 4.3. Here you can see the all fraction given in the like form. So here we solve the addition of like fractions. Let's start one example from exercise 4.3. First question from exercise 4.3. First question given. Question number 1. Add the following fraction. Here you can see all the fraction is in like fraction, that is denominator is same. So here we no need to do any kind of LCM. We directly add the numerator, that is 1 upon 8 plus 3 upon 8 equal to 1 plus 3, that is 4 upon 8. And one more very important thing, you have to check your answer is in proper fraction or not. Okay, so this is our answer is in proper fraction, 4 upon 8. Next question number 2, you can see the next question, 20 upon 21 and 5 upon 21. Here we add both the numerator 20 plus 5 and take the denominator one time, write 21. 20 plus 5 equals to 25 upon 21. Here I can see from question number 2, 25 upon 21, this answer is in improper fraction, that is the denominator is smaller as compared to numerator. So here we use the division method, we divide 21 with 25 and you will get your that means one integer 4 upon 21. Here we use the cycling method at the time of improper fraction answer. So improper fraction answer will converted into from question number 2. Next, exercise 4.4. In this question we find out and learn the method of unlike fraction, the addition of unlike fractions. Here you can see the denominator is different, so the question is given in unlike fraction, not like fraction. Okay, so here we solve the unlike fraction. Let's see how we solve the method of unlike fraction. Question C, question number 1, add the following fraction unlike fraction, the question given in unlike fractions. Here you can see the denominator 10 and 15, denominator is different, so here we use the LCM, the LCM of 10 and 15. 10 and 15, how we find out the LCM? Here you can see in this question, here we find the LCM of 10 and 15, then you will get the LCM of 10 and 15, that is 30. 30 is your LCM. So here we convert the denominator by following the LCM. So 10 is there, here we multiply 10 into 3. If you multiply 3 in the denominator, same we follow in the numerator. Here we multiply 10 into 3 in the numerator also, then you will get 3 upon 30. This is your like fraction, 3 upon 30. Here we convert the unlike fraction into like fraction. Next, 2 upon 15 is there. Here we multiply the denominator 15 into 3 to convert the 30. Same we multiply 2 in the numerators, then our new fractions is 4 upon 30. This both is your like fractions. So here we get the new questions is in like fraction forms. We add both the number, write your new fractions, and we add both the number 3 upon 30 plus 4 upon 30, because here we will get our new like fractions. So here we add the numerator 3 plus 4 equals to 7 upon 30. Next, here you can check the answer is in proper fractions, so no need to do any division. 7 upon 30 is your answer. Again, I am going to explain you one more example of unlike fraction, addition of unlike fraction. Here you can see the last question, 9 upon 13 and 12 upon 26 is given. The denominator is different, so we use the LCM. Okay, here we find out the LCM of 13 and 26, and the LCM of 13 and 26, that is 26. So here we change the denominator into 26. 26, our LCM is 26. Here we change the denominator into 26. So here we multiply 13 into 2. Same, we multiply the numerator 9 into 2, then you will get your new fraction, that means like fraction 18 upon 26. This is your like fraction. Next we change the denominator is in 26, but here the denominator is already given in 26, so here we multiply 20 into 1 because the denominator is already in the form of LCM, that means 26. So here we multiply into 1 and 12 into 1, then you will get your proper like fraction 12 upon 26. Next we add both the like fractions, 18 plus 12 upon 26, that is 13 upon 26. Here you can see 13 upon 26, this your answer is not in proper fraction, your answer given in improper fraction. So here we use the division method to convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction. So here we divide this 26 with 30, then you will get one integer 4 upon 26. Here we change the improper fraction into mixed fraction because the answer is in improper fractions. So here we not going to stop our answer, here we solve again to division method to change the improper fraction into mixed fraction. Next, from exercise 4.5, here we will learn the addition of fraction, that is mixed fraction, addition of mixed fraction. Here you can see the question already given in mixed fraction. This in this exercise the question is not given in like fraction or in the form of unlike fraction. So here very first we change the mixed fraction into unlike fraction. Okay, so how we will change, let's see. 3 integer upon 3 plus 1 upon 4. So here we change the questions mixed fraction into unlike fractions. So here we multiply 3 3s are 3 3s are like this, 3 3s are 9, and 9 plus 2, that is 11 upon 3. Here you can see here you will solve the mixed fraction like this. Next 4 4s are 16, and 16 plus 1, that is 17 upon 14. Like this we solve, we change the mixed fraction into unlike fraction. So this is our new question, 11 upon 3 plus 17 upon 4. Here you can see the denominator is different, so we not easily add this number. Very first we change the unlike fraction into like fraction. So we find out the LCM of denominator, that means 3 and 4. The LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So here we change the unlike fraction into like fraction by changing the denominator. Okay, so 11 upon 3 is there, so here we multiply 3 into 4. Again we follow the denominator, same number we multiply in the numerator and denominator both, like this. Next 4 into 3, same we multiply 3 in the numerator. Now next you will get your new like fraction question, 44 upon 12 plus 15 upon 12. This is your new questions. Next we add both the like fraction, 44 plus 51 equals to 95. This is 95, and denominator is same, then write 12. Here you can see 95 upon 12, 95 upon 12 is in improper fraction. Our answer is not in proper fraction, so here we use division method, that means cycling methods. So here you can see the division of 12 and 95, then you will get your answer is in mixed fractions. 7 integer 11 of improper fraction, and your answer of mixed fraction is in mixed fraction only. Here you can see the example of first question. Next I'm going to explain you the new method in the operation of fraction method. First new method, that is subtractions of like fraction and subtraction of unlike fraction. Here you can see the subtraction of like fraction and the subtraction of unlike fraction. Same this method is same as addition of fraction. Here we can use only the subtraction in the place of addition. Let's see the definition of subtraction of like fraction. When we subtract like fraction, we have to subtract the smaller numerator from the bigger numerator and write the answer as the numerators of the required fraction, and the denominator is the common denominator of the given fraction. We also express the fractions we also express the answers as a fraction in the reduced form. Here you can see the first example. Subtract 5 upon 12 from 11 upon 12. Denominator is same, so here we easily subtract the numerator. 11 minus 5 upon 12 equal to 6 upon 12. If you want to reduce this fraction into lowest term, then you can cancel it, then you will get 1 upon 2. Here if the possibility, if you can reduce the fraction into lowest term, then you can, okay, then you can convert this, your answer is in lowest term. Next, subtraction of unlike fraction. This example I'm going to explain you from exercise subtraction of unlike fractions in detail. Exercise 4.6, subtract the following like fraction and unlike fraction. In this question, both the type of fraction is there, like fraction and unlike fraction. Subtraction of like fraction and unlike fraction. First question, here you can see 8 upon 9 from 16 upon 9. The denominator is same, so no need to do any LCM and all. Here we easily subtract the numerators, like 8 upon 9 minus 16 upon 9 equals to 18 minus 16 upon 9, and your answer is 8 upon 9. This is the subtraction of like fraction. Next, 1 upon 42 from 3 upon 42. Here we subtract the numerators and we take the denominators as it is. 1 upon 42 minus 3 upon 42, that is 1 minus 3 upon 42. Then your answer is 2 upon 42. If you want to reduce this number, then we use the cancellation method. 2 ones are 2 and 21 2s are. So your answer is in the lowest form, 1 upon 21. Here we can use the reducing method. Here we reduce our answer. Okay, like this you can use the cancellation method to reduce the fraction into lowest term, and your final answer is 1 upon 21. This is your answer. Method, subtraction of unlike fraction. I'm explaining you how we subtract the unlike fraction. Okay, here you can see the new question, 6 upon 7 and 27 upon 14. You can see the denominator is already different, so we use the LCM method. We find out the LCM of 7 and 14, and the LCM of 7 and 14 is 14. So here we change the numerator into 14, convert the numerator into 14, because the LCM of 7 and 14 is 14. So here we multiply 7 into 2, same we multiply in the denominator 2 and 2. Here you can see. Next we multiply 14, the denominator is already in 14, so we multiply 1 and 1, 1 and 1, denominator and numerator same. Then you will get your unlike fraction into like fraction. This is a new question, 12 upon 14 minus 27 upon 14, denominator is same, so here we write denominator 14 and numerator we subtract 12 minus 27, so your answer is 15 upon 14. Again our answer is in improper fractions, because denominator is smaller and numerator is larger. That is why we use the improper fraction into the mixed fraction. Here we convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction, because our answer is in improper fraction. Here you can see 15 upon 14. So here we use the division method, we use the cycling method at the time of division, and our answer will convert it into mixed fraction. One integer 1 upon 14. This is your final answer. Next, new method, subtraction of a fraction from a whole number. Here we should write the whole number as a fraction by putting 1 in the denominator and then subtract the two fraction. Here I am going to explain you one example, the subtraction from a whole number. Subtract 6 upon 13 from 7. Here denominator is not given. The next fraction is given in a whole number. So how we solve this whole number type of fraction, subtraction of fraction? Let's see. Step 1, we write the whole number as a fraction by putting 1 in the denominator. 7 minus 6 upon 13, that is 7 upon 1 minus 6 upon 13, like this. Find the LCM of the denominators and subtract LCM of 13 is 13. Next, change the denominators by using the LCM 13. Here 7 upon 1 is given, so here we multiply 1 into 13, that is 7 into 13 upon 1 into 13. Next 6 into 1, 13 into 1. Here you can see the question will convert it into like fraction, 91 upon 13 minus 6 upon 13. Your answer is 85 upon 13. Here you can see the answer is an improper fraction. So here we use the division method to convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction, and your answer that is 6 integers 7 upon 13 like this. Next method, subtraction of mixed fraction. This fraction I am going to explain you from exercise 4.7. Exercise 4.7, here I am going to explain you the subtraction of fraction, and the question already is in mixed fraction. So how we change the mixed fractions and how we subtract the mixed fractions, so I am going to explain you the example number 2. 5 integers 7 upon 11 minus 3 integer 1 upon 33. So here we change the mixed fraction into unlike fractions. How we change? 5 into 11 plus 7 upon 11 minus 3 into 33 plus 1 upon 33. 5 into 11, that is 55, plus 7 upon 11. 3 into 33, that is 99, plus 1 upon 33. So here we write the plus of both number. Add the both number. 55 plus 7, 62 upon 11. 99 plus 1, that is 100 upon 33. So get 62 upon 11 minus 100 upon 33. This is our unlike fraction, new unlike fraction. So here we change the unlike fraction into like fraction by changing the denominator. So here we use the LCM method to change the denominator. Here we find out the LCM of 11 and 33, and the LCM of 11 and 33, that is 33. So here we change the denominator. 62 upon 11 minus 100 upon 33. Here we multiply 11 into 3. Same we follow in the numerator, 62 into 3. Minus 33 already given, so we multiply 30 with 1. 33 into 1. Same we multiply 1 in numerator, 100 into 1. So after multiplying, we will get new like fraction, 186 upon 33 minus 100 upon 33. So here we subtract our like fraction, 186 minus 100 upon 33. Our answer is, you can see our answer is in improper division method, and our answer will convert it into a mixed fraction like 2 integer 20 upon 33.